Hello and welcome. This video is an introduction to attendance management, approval, and logging in Easy Redmine. As a project worker, you can create a tab like this to log your time and plan attendance. You can also log time by going to Personal Statements and log the time spent. This is how time logging looks like. Here you can choose the project, task, date, number of hours, and type of activity. On the right side, there is a gauge diagram showing the percentage of work done out of the standard hours set. Let's log 8 hours. We can see that now the percentage of worked hours is 100%, and we see the time entry at the bottom. We can edit it there if needed. Now let's have a look at the attendance calendar. Here you can add the time you were in the office. This is a calendar for a month on your dashboard. You can have a smaller calendar just for the current week. Click on the New Entry button to plan attendance. Choose Activity, add a description, and save. Over here you can see that the green arrow means activity has started, red that it has ended, 2 arrows mean that activity is for the day, and arrows in a gray square indicate that this activity requires approval. As a manager, when you need to set attendance and get an overview of your workers' attendance, just go to More menu and choose Attendance. You can now show all the attendance logs as a list or a report. Also, you can see all the requests waiting for approval by click on the tab at the top. Click on the Report option and apply filters to see how much the worker has attended. You can also see the number of hours spent in the office, home office, and on vacation and sick. Here on the side, you can have quick links to all the users in the system, so you can easily navigate between them. To set everything up, go to More menu, Administration, Attendance Settings. Here you can see all the settings that include settings of the work calendar and attendance categories. As you can see here, Office is the default value. We can also see that Office and Home Office means that the worker is at work, whereas Vacation and Sick do not have this parameter set. You can delete existing categories and create your own if needed. When you click on a category, Vacation for example, you can adjust its settings. You can name it, choose to send the notice email, which means that the manager will be informed of this attendance. Since this is a vacation category, we will leave At Work option unselected. You can choose to either enter hours manually or to let users choose between whole or half day. You can also choose to have that category as a default option. Lastly, you can choose the Approval Required setting and save the changes. Now let's go back to the Approval tab on the attendance page. We can choose to reject the request or approve it. I will choose to reject this request. Right-click on the request, reject, and confirm your action in the window. As a worker, I will see that my request for vacation was rejected. Editing attendance is connected to your role settings. Go to More menu, Administration, and find Roles and Permissions. Choose Project Manager role. Then go to the Attendance section in Global Permissions. Here you can see different permissions. Select the ones needed for your managers and save the changes. Okay, that's it. If you like to, you can learn more about attendance management, approval, and logging in Easy Redmine in Knowledge Base on our website. Thank you for watching and good luck with your projects.